Hi.
To start with the recipe, first take your 1.5 pounds of flank steak and slice it thinly. This is important because thinner slices cook more evenly and quickly. Once sliced, coat each piece with 1/4 cup of cornstarch. This will help the beef get a nice crispy texture when cooked. Make sure each piece is well coated, and you'll know it's ready when the beef looks like it's wearing a light, powdery jacket. Now, heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a skillet over medium-high heat. Once the oil is shimmering, add the beef slices. Cook them for about 3 to 4 minutes, stirring occasionally. You'll know they're done when they turn a nice brown color and have a slightly crispy edge. Remove the beef from the skillet and set it aside for now. By the way, since many of you ask about this non-stick frying pan that I use after trying several, I found one that really makes a difference. I'll leave a link in the video description in case you're interested. In the same skillet, add 1 teaspoon of minced ginger and 2 teaspoons of minced garlic. Stir-fry them for about 30 seconds. This step is crucial because it releases the flavors and aromas, which will infuse the entire dish. You'll know it's ready when you can smell the fragrant aroma of ginger and garlic wafting through your kitchen. Next, let's make the sauce. In a bowl, whisk together 1/3 cup of soy sauce, 1 cup of water, 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, 2 tablespoons of rice vinegar, 1 teaspoon of sesame oil, and 3 tablespoons of honey. This combination creates a perfect balance of sweet and savory flavors. Make sure everything is well mixed, and you'll see a smooth, dark liquid when it's ready. Pour the sauce into the skillet and let it simmer for about 3 to 4 minutes. This will allow the sauce to thicken slightly. You'll know it's at the right consistency when it coats the back of a spoon without running off too quickly. If it's too thick, you can add a little more water to adjust. Add the beef back into the skillet and stir-fry everything together for another 2 minutes. This step is important because it allows the beef to soak up all the delicious flavors of the sauce. You'll know it's ready when the beef is fully coated and glistening with the sauce. Finally, serve your beef teriyaki over cooked rice and steamed broccoli. Garnish with 1 tablespoon of sesame seeds and 3 chopped green onions for a fresh, crunchy finish. The dish should look vibrant and inviting, with the glossy beef contrasting against the bright green of the broccoli and onions. Enjoy your meal! And that's how you make this delicious recipe. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more recipes like this one.
Bye.